Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add transition effects on your TikTok video. Please subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. First, open your TikTok app, then click the plus button at the bottom, then record a video, then on your right, click where it's written effects, and click where it's written transition. Then to apply any that you like, tap multiple times to repeat the transition. Like you're gonna add any transition that you want, and you're gonna scroll left if you want to add more. So this is how to add transition effects on your TikTok video. After that, you're gonna save, and this is it. This is how to add transition effects on your TikTok video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.